Hi everyone, guess who it is? It's Chef Timmy James, and today we're gonna have happy hour. I'm going to make Cosmopolitans, and Cosmopolitans are just such a refreshing drink. We enjoy having them, and especially nowadays people are really enjoying them an extra lot, and various types of libations and festivities at home, because we can't really go anywhere in our coronavirus pandemic situation. But it will soon change. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you how to make some Cosmopolitans. So I have some really good vodka here. We have Cointreau, but you can actually use triple sec if you'd like. I do like Cointreau better. We have freshly squeezed lime juice. It's very important to use freshly squeezed. As with any type of cooking or anything, it's better to use freshly squeezed rather than reconstituted or concentrated or anything. We have cranberry juice. They offer regular, they offer diet, whatever is your preference. You can cut out a few calories if you want to, you don't have to. You can go all the way. All right, and we have some ice. So, I'm going to let you know that the recipe for these Cosmopolitans are going to be at the bottom of the video in the description section. So you don't have to write it down right now. So just enjoy as I make them. I'll be your mixologist today. All right, so I'm going to start with 4 shots of vodka. I'm going to put these shots directly into my mixing glass, and it is already filled with ice. My mouth is watering already. I'm sure yours is too. All right. Then we have 4 ounces of cranberry juice. 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Running out of room in my shaker over here. And then 4 tablespoons of Cointreau. I have measurements on the side of this glass. All right. Thank God I didn't run out of room in here. All right, I'm going to put my shaker top on and shake it. Okay. Ooh, these look good. It's the perfect time of the day to have one, right? Here I put my strainer on and strain into these really very nice coupe-shaped martini glasses as I spill a lot of it onto the side. I'm not a professional mixologist, so can't hold me on that one. But look how wonderful they look. I already have a sliced lime on the edge to give it a nice look to it. You can go on the patio, go into your living room, have it at the counter, wherever you like. But I'm going to enjoy it. Cheers everybody, and cheers to everything. Let's see here. Delicious. Thank you for joining me today, and please subscribe to my channel. Please spread the word about Chef Timmy James. Please let people know about me and to make suggestions on what else you want me to do videos on. As I said, lately we cannot travel too much at all, really, because of the pandemic. But I will be traveling again and going to places But please give me some suggestions. Please let me know what else you want me to make. Any other libations? I would love to do that for you. But in the meantime, I will be cooking with love and loving to cook and also enjoying some Cosmos. Cheers everybody, and thank you for joining me today.